Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons tasty. First, precise measurements are absolutely essential for perfect macarons, so use a kitchen scale. Ensure your almond flour is super fine and sifted to avoid lumps. Aged egg whites, separated a few days prior, provide better stability for your meringue. Both granulated and powdered sugars play key roles in the texture and sweetness of your shells. Next, let's talk about the meringue, the heart of your macaron. You can choose between the Italian method, which involves a hot sugar syrup for a more stable meringue, or the French method, which is simpler, using raw egg whites. Whisk your egg whites to stiff, glossy peaks, adding sugar slowly. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can lead to brittle shells. Now for macaronage, the crucial folding step. Gently fold your dry ingredients into the meringue until the batter flows like slow-moving lava, forming a figure 8 when drizzled from your spatula. Overmixing causes flat, cracked shells, while undermixing prevents the signature feet from forming. Pipe uniform circles, about 1 inch in diameter, onto your prepared baking sheets. Before baking, let your piped macarons rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a dry skin forms. This helps create their characteristic feet. Bake them at around 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Once baked, cool them completely before handling to prevent breakage. Finally, fill your delicious shells with ganache, buttercream, or fruit curd to add incredible flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.